If you had some kind of system where those logs were automatically recorded onto some singular ledger, nobody could control, the business or anybody else, you always know that there will be a record of something existing there. The most important reason you want a system that is decentralized or distributed across multiple places is that there's a robustness to it. It can't go down. My job as head of stewardship is basically to facilitate the framework by which the association protects that protocol and maintains that protocol. I also fulfill the role of head of standards because the association's other main function is to standardize core pieces of the network, particularly around application development and wallet development. So that's why stewardship and standards are so important to the association's role. We see it as a primary function of the association to facilitate, for instance, an open wallet standard, so the ability for users to interact with applications with some kind of base level standardization of how you would interact with those applications. And what that means is that with the association's help, we can facilitate users being able to access multiple applications with one wallet, create a better user experience and better interoperability between applications and wallets and things like that. What we've tried to do from the association's development pipeline is build a lot of that base level infrastructure that's shared across multiple applications, standardize it, and then what that means is that the barrier to building an application up here is so low, especially now with tools like AI. What we hope is that someone can just spin up a BSV application in a span of minutes, and users with any wallet that they have can connect to that application. So the application no longer has to build a login workflow, a wallet interface workflow, or anything like that. All of that is taken care of and standardized. So to us, we really want to help developers understand how easy that can be now, and standards are a critical component of that. For about 6 or 7 years, we've talked so much about data ownership and the ability for us to take what used to be really siloed application development. And if I use something like a Facebook or a Twitter as an example, when I log into Facebook, I'm solely reliant on Facebook's infrastructure, and the way that they display content to me is all under their control. And it also means that I decide I want to stop using Facebook, but I want all of my data. There's no easy way for me to port that into a new system. We've finally been able to develop the ability for applications now to compete on the user interface of those systems. What it means is that I can have all of my data in one location, and I can bring that into other applications. I can just move to a different application with that same data. So what I'd like to start seeing is these principles of data ownership start carrying through into application development and things like that.